Thanks for watching this video. Today I'm going to talk about saws and the problems with them, and more particularly cleaning. Our saw has what is called, I call it a half pyramid tooth. So it's sharpened on both sides of the point. What that means is whether we are pushing forward or pulling back, the saw is cutting. That's the same with this one here, right, that we sell. Each tooth is sharpened on both sides. Before I go any further, with our saws, they all come with a cover. And it's really important that when you're not using it, that cover's on, because you've got about 70 little teeth there that are all looking to try and cut you if you are not careful. So please just be careful. The easiest way I've found in relation to cleaning and making the saw work properly is hot water. So what I'm doing here is I'm just taking the cover off, and some of them get a little bit awkward. Cover off, and then the saw is going to go in here. And what I'm focusing on is on the side of this, and this is actually a very clean saw, but it has a build-up of sap that's just started in like, for example, like little dots. And if I run my hand along, I can feel that it's sticky. So simply I'm going to put it into there. This saw's now been in the water for 10 minutes. So what we do is we take it out, as always, being really careful of the cutting points. And this is only hot water. And what we're going to do is we're just going to move along the blade. The hot water has already softened the sap that's on there. And I'm just using this brush so that I can get into the teeth without cutting myself. Dip it back in the water, and now I've got a clean surface. Why the clean surface? As you are cutting, whether it's small or large, particularly around the teeth, you're going to get sap build up. The more sap that builds up, the less that the teeth are going to be able to cut. And then particularly for larger branches, as you build up on the face of the saw, as you're pushing through and pulling back, the rubbish on the side is going to slow you down. It's going to try and stick to the timber you're cutting. Repeat on the other side, the same process, and if your container's not big enough, simply take the saw out of the holder or off the pole and put that end in as well. If you keep it clean, the saw is going to last a whole lot longer, and we often have people who come and either into the shop or online buy a replacement because they think it's blunt. It's not blunt, it's just simply dirty. Thanks for watching this video.